Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the hottest products in the market. Today, we have a real game-changer for you: the BISSELL 2998 MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum with Hepa filter sealed system. This vacuum is making waves for all the right reasons, and we're here to tell you why it's the best vacuum cleaner with Hepa filter available. First things first, let's talk about the standout features of this vacuum. Now, what sets this vacuum apart is its remarkable 2-in-1 design. It's got a detachable pod, which means you can easily take it off for convenient, portable cleaning. Whether it's cleaning stairs, your car, or those hard-to-reach spots, this vacuum has got you covered. And here's the real game changer: the tangle-free brush roll. Yes, you heard that right. It actively prevents hair wrap around the brush roll, saving you from those frustrating tangles. But that's not all. The BISSELL 2998 is equipped with a HEPA-sealed allergen system. It traps an impressive 99.97% of dust and allergens, ensuring your home's air quality stays top-notch. Now, let's talk about maneuverability. This vacuum is a dream to handle. It's lightweight, and the swivel steering makes it a breeze to maneuver around furniture and obstacles in your home. Cleaning up is a breeze too. With the one-touch easy empty feature, pet hair gets spooled in the tank, keeping it out of your filters and off your hands when it's time to empty. And the LED headlights? They're not just for show. They light up the way, revealing hidden dirt and ensuring a thorough clean. Now, remember, this vacuum doesn't just clean up after pets. It helps save them. BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. So, when you buy this vacuum, you're making a difference too. In terms of assembly, it's a breeze, and it's designed for your convenience. So, to sum it up, the BISSELL 2998 MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum offers powerful cleaning, innovative features, and it's a great value for money. Whether you have pets or just want a top-notch vacuum for your home, this one ticks all the boxes. It's a game-changer, folks! And there you have it, our top pick for the best vacuum cleaner with Hepa filter. If you want to grab this fantastic vacuum for yourself, we've got the link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!